In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to an image in Canva and download your design. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow so your text looks clean, readable, and ready to share. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design. Click Create a design and choose a preset size that matches where your image will be used, like an Instagram post or a presentation slide. If you already know the exact dimensions you need, enter custom dimensions so everything fits perfectly from the start and you don't have to redo sizing later. Next, bring in your image. If you already have one, go to the Uploads panel and upload it from your computer. If you don't, you can choose a photo from Canva's library. Use the search bar to find something that suits your theme and pick a clear, high-resolution option for best results. Drag the image onto the canvas. Use the corner handles to resize without distorting it and position it so the important parts are visible. If you need a quick crop, double-click the image and adjust the frame. Now, add your text. Click Text on the left, then choose. Add a heading, a subheading, or body text. These are simply pre-sized text boxes, so pick the one that matches the emphasis you want. A heading is ideal for titles, subheading for supportive lines, and body text for longer captions. Drag and position the text over your image. Aim for balance. Keep the text away from busy areas of the photo and look for natural blank space. Canva's Smart Guides will help you center or align elements neatly. Customize your text from the top toolbar. Choose a font that matches your style and keeps readability front and center. Adjust the size so it stands out without overwhelming the image. Pick a color with strong contrast against the background. Dark text on light areas or light text on dark areas. If needed, refine letter spacing and line height so the words breathe and feel tidy. For extra clarity, open Effects and try a subtle shadow, lift, or a background style. A soft shadow or a light background block behind the text can dramatically improve legibility on complex photos. Keep effects gentle so they enhance rather than distract. Fine-tune the placement until everything looks balanced. Nudge with your arrow keys, zoom out to check overall composition, and make sure there's comfortable padding around the edges. When you're happy, click Share in the top right. Then, Download. Choose PNG for a crisp image, JPG for a smaller file, or PDF if you're heading to print. Confirm your settings and download your finished design. You're done.